Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu alayhi Sayyidina Muhammad. We're back for another lesson. We're on ayah 153 of Surat al Baqarah. We are right here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ya ayyuha. So ya, there's the extension of the ya. Ya ayyu. Ayyu. The ya has a shadda, double ya on with the dhamma. Ayyuha. Ha. But then this drops and it combines with the lam here. Ya ayyuhal hal. Ya ayyuhal ladhina. Very good to know these, right? We're doing Arabic words that appear a lot. This appears a lot. Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu. Amanu, not amanu. Amanu. O you, O those, basically, O you who believes, O you who has faith. Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu, O you believers. This is when he speaks to the believers. And then what is it commanding? Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu sta'inu. Amanus, nus. So this noon, you're going to go straight into the scene. This is obviously not read, and then this drops, goes straight to the scene. Alladhina amanu sta'inu. Nus, because this goes from here. Nus ta'inu. The ya extends this. Sta'inu. Seek help. Bis-sabri was-salah. Bis-sabri was-salah. If you're stopping, was-salah. If you're continuing, was-salati, right? Bis-sabri was-salah. This ta ends with like how you end with a ha. Basically how you end with a ha. So jim, you can pause there. Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu sta'inu bis-sabri was-salah. Stop there. Inna Allah, right? You have a hamza, noon, shad on the noon, so that's ghunna. You hold it. The slight nasal resonation. Inna Allah, verily Allah, ma'as sabirin. Verily Allah is with the patient. Inna Allah ma'as sabirin, like that. Next ayah. وَلَا تَقُولُوا, and do not say لِمَنْ يُقْتَلُ. Why? Because the qaf is a slight qalqala. Liman, noon sakina mixes with the ya. لِمَنْ يُقْتَلُ fi sabili. The ya extends the ba there. لِمَنْ يُقْتَلُ fi sabilillahi. Notice that when you have the kasra before the name of Allah Most High, what do you say? You say it as light. Fi sabilillahi, not fi sabilillahu. Doesn't make sense, right? Fi sabilillahu if it was. Fi sabilillahi. But the fi, Arabic grammar, not for this class, but fi is called harf jar, gives this a kasra. Fi sabilillahi. Okay? Amwat. Do not say those who died in the path of Allah that they're dead. Amwat. There's the little slight extra on the waw, so be careful. Fi sabilillahi amwatun. Amwat. If you're going to stop. Bal ahya'un. Walakin. But the noon sakin is going to mix with the lam here. Walakin la. بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون. ولكن لا تشعرون. They are alive, but you perceive not. Okay? We're going to keep this one short. Inshallah, sorry about that, but we'll be back inshallah with the next ayah. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.